And now it's time to put the hub back in again. Grr, it keeps raining. Put the changer bit back on the hub before you try and put the hub on, because it's a pain in the arse otherwise. Even more of a pain in the arse. Just give it a little nip up for now to be able to see where to put the yellow dots down there somewhere. In some gear it's set up right. And now I'm going to put the pieces back into the velomobile that cover over the chain and that. On the drive side, check all the chains are on, make sure you've taken your chain holder out of its position. There's one there. Get the other one. Throw it in there. Get my pump in. That's all the tools I need. Now the last bit, the seat. Yours might be bolted in. I'll just leave mine undone. And there we go, there we have it, ready for a test ride.